Good morning everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Google unveils powerful AI model Gemini, Micron establishes semiconductor unit in Gujarat, India, WhatsApp introduces music sharing in video calls, concerns raised over government surveillance via push notifications, Microsoft offers extended support for Windows 10 updates, and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Google introduces Gemini, its most powerful AI model set to power applications and devices including the Google Bard chatbot and Pixel 8 Pro smartphone. Gemini is a multi-modal AI model designed to understand and operate using various forms of information such as text, code, imagery, and video. Positioned as Google's most capable and journal model, Gemini surpasses OpenAI's GPT-4 in benchmarks, offering three sizes: Gemini Ultra, Gemini Pro for Google Bard, and Gemini Nano for phones like Pixel 8 Pro. Expected to facilitate easy scaling and building using AI for developers and enterprise-grade customers. Outperforms GPT-4 in text-based benchmarks and excels in multimodal benchmark for image, video, and audio categories. Gemini Ultra achieved a score of 59.4% on the new MMU benchmark, outperforming previous models in image benchmarks without OCR. To experience Gemini's capabilities, users can use Google Bard to see how Gemini Pro performs compared to Palm 2. Google Pixel 8 Pro users will use Gemini Nano through apps like Recorder, Gboard, and WhatsApp with support for more chat apps coming later. Gemini will be available in services like Search, Add, Chrome, and Duet AI soon, with Gemini Pro available through the Gemini API for developers and enterprises. US chipmaker Micron plans to set up a semiconductor unit in Gujarat, India, specializing in memory and storage products. The assembly, testing, marking, and packaging ATMP facility aims to meet both domestic and global market demands through exports. Projected to create up to 5,000 direct job opportunities and an additional 15,000 indirect jobs over the next 5 years, contributing significantly to employment. Collaborative efforts between India Semiconductor Mission, the government of Gujarat, and Micron involved training 10,000 engineers to meet industry requirements. Over 30 ancillary industries express interest in establishing facilities in Gujarat, enriching the region's technological landscape. Agreements formalized among Micron India Semiconductor Mission and the government of Gujarat to ensure timely project milestones and incentives. Google Bard undergoes its biggest upgrade powered by Gemini Pro, Google's latest multimodal language model LLM. Gemini 1.0 offers three versions: Ultra, Pro, and Nano, with Pro outperforming OpenAI's GPT 3.5 in benchmarks. Bard chatbot now uses a fine-tuned version of Gemini Pro, showcasing advanced reasoning, planning, and understanding. Available in English in over 170 countries, Gemini-powered Bard aims for expansion to new modalities, locations, and languages. Upcoming Bard Advanced powered by Gemini Ultra promises even greater capabilities with an expected early 2024 launch. WhatsApp beta version 23.25.10.72 introduces the ability for users to share music during video calls. iOS users can share the screen with another person, allowing both participants to enjoy audio or music videos. Feature conditions include keeping the video camera turned on during the call, enhancing the interactive experience. Android release date remain unknown but expected to follow soon, considering WhatsApp's extensive user base. WhatsApp continues to work on additional features, particularly related to WhatsApp groups and channels. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman suggests Apple may launch the next generation MacBook Air with the M3 chipset in March 2024. M3 chipset promises significant improvements in CPU and GPU performance compared to outgoing M2 MacBook Air models. The M3 family of chips already powers the new 14-inch and 16-inch MacBook Pro models released in October. Development potentially aligned with macOS 14.3 update expected to support the new MacBook Air models. Anticipated launch of M3 powered MacBook Air models reflect Apple's commitment to continuous innovation. Next we have US Senator Ron Wyden expresses concern about government surveillance of smartphone users through app push notifications. Letter to the Department of Justice highlights the unique position of Google and Apple enabling government surveillance via push notifications. Apple acknowledges the opportunity to share details on how governments monitor push notifications. Foreign and US government agencies seek metadata related to push notifications for monitoring app usage. Privacy concern arise as push notifications become a potential avenue for government surveillance. At last, Microsoft responds to the end of official support for Windows 10 in 2025 by offering extended support for users willing to pay an annual fee. Extended Security Updates ESU package allows businesses to continue using older Windows versions with an annual fee. Aims to support users who may not upgrade to Windows 11 compatible PCs, providing continued support for Windows 10. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Worlds for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।